Hi everyone, this is Lionel. Nice to see you again. And we've just came back from Ikea and we've bought two clocks, one black, one white, amongst other stuff. The black one was half price, but we had to buy the white one because the missus still likes the white one. But either way, in Ecclesiastes chapter 3, verse 1 to 8, King Solomon writes all the different seasons in life, and there is a time for all these things. And especially in this season where we can lose track of stuff, staying at home so much, or being cooped up in segregation, let us remember that there is a time for everything, and let us keep track so that one season, one purpose in life doesn't rob another of its time. Most importantly, our time with God.